Hello friends, welcome to the Life Skills Green. Today in this chapter 27, the definite article the, we are going to learn the use of the. Now sometimes we pronounce this the or the. We learn later why is it that difference between this pronunciation the or the. We learn that pronunciation difference later sometime in some other lessons, but here we are going to learn what is the. The is the definite article. It is used to refer to a specific or particular noun, something already known to the speaker and listener. The can be used with singular, plural and uncountable nouns. When to use the? When the noun is already mentioned or known. Example sentences: I saw a dog. The dog was barking loudly. When we mention dog first time, we say a dog. I saw a dog. But when we mention the dog second time, so we use the dog. A dog, the dog. I saw a dog. The dog was barking loudly. She bought a book. The book is on the table. When there is only one of something, now there is only one of something, like the sun is one in this solar system. The sun rises in the east. I live near the river. The moon looks beautiful tonight. When the noun is unique or specific, he went to the doctor. He visited the museum yesterday. Number 4, with superlatives and ordinal numbers. Example sentences: she is the best student in the class. This is the first time I am here. With certain geographical names. Example sentences: the Amazon is the largest rainforest. We sailed on the Nile. They live near the Alps. Now the Alps, the Nile, the Amazon, because we use with certain geographical names the article the. Number 6, with countries that have plural names or words like kingdom, states or republic, so we use the before these such kind of names: republic, plural names or kingdom, states. See here, the United States is located in North America. I traveled to the Netherlands. The United Kingdom is an island country. Here we have more examples of the in sentences. The is used in these example sentences. Please close the door. Now we are talking a certain specific door that we have at the time of speaking. Please close the door. I like the movie we watched yesterday. She sat by the window. Have you seen the keys? He works at the hospital. The students are studying hard. I love the music they play on the radio. We stayed at the hotel near the beach. The children played in the park. We visited the Eiffel Tower in Paris. The Eiffel Tower in Paris. Sentences using the. Common mistakes to avoid: don't use the with general, plural or uncountable nouns when speaking in general. I like the apples. Now this is incorrect. I like apples. She drinks the water every day. Incorrect. Correct usage is she drinks water every day. Don't use the before names of most countries and cities. Exceptions: the United States, the Netherlands, the Philippines. We use the with these names which are in plural. I live in the Canada. This is incorrect. I live in Canada. Don't use the before proper nouns of people. The John is here. Incorrect. Correct is John is here. Here we have more examples for practice. The sun is shining. Now definition here is there is only one sun. That is why the sun is shining. This is example sentence and this is explanation. There is only one sun. That's why we say the sun is shining. I met the teacher yesterday. A specific teacher known by both speaker and listeners. We went to the beach last weekend. A specific beach, known context. She is the tallest in her class. Superlative use with the. The tallest, the smallest like this, the brightest. They live near the mountains, referring to specific mountains. The United Kingdom is famous for its history. Country with kingdom in the name. See you in the next chapter.